Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $50 to $100 by surfing different website. All right, so if this information sounds good to you, kindly stick and watch this video to the very end so that you are not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, and this is Creative Entrepreneur channel where we share information on how you can make money online. And if you are looking for work from home opportunity, then you are in the right channel. All right, so let me head right on so that I'm going to show you how you can get started. Right, so let me go back and type okay, click P. All right, so the name of the site is called Click P, and you have opportunity to surf different website and get paid. All right, so you can see over here you have opportunity to get $50 to $100 per month easily. All right, and what is the payment system for ClickPay? You can make money, you can deposit your money through your PayPal or your Bitcoin. So if you are in a country that you don't have PayPal account, you can use your Bitcoin account. And one thing I like about this site is that you have opportunity to work in different countries of the world. All right, so you can see we accept all countries, and you can use your mobile phone or your desktop browser. All right, so let's scroll down and so let's look at some reviews. This review is dated for October 11 2024. It said, "Thank you, my money arrived in my wallet. I will recommend ClickPay to everyone." And this one said, "I am David. ClickPay is most trusted job. I do it for 1 year. I'm so happy. So I give 5-star thank you." So you can see 2 reviews. So let me go to some latest reviews. This one said, "I love it. Please increase the quantity of tasks. 2 to 3 months ago, I complete 15 to 20 tasks. Easy, but I have to do so much effort to do 6 to 10 tasks a day." All right, so let's check another one. ClickPay is the best. Okay, let's see this one. January 8 2025. "I love this site. It's also pay me more than $100. Can you see that? And this other one said, "ClickPay is reliable work pay for freelancer. They pay me what they promise." All right, so you can see that. So let's explore another one. Let's scroll down. "ClickPay is the best platform, changing my life. Thanks so much." Another one said, "They pay me like clockwork every month. The website is good for earning extra money." All right, so if this information sounds good to you, kindly go ahead and sign up and register. So how do you sign up? You are going to click on register now and input your email in order for you to register and start earning on ClickPay. All right, so if you have any question regarding this video, kindly go to the comment section. If you like what I'm doing, kindly give this video a like, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you're not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, I wish you guys all the best, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Enjoy.